So I'm back in Flushing, and I actually wanted to make a phone call. With the help of a friend, I connected my Payphone Radio shoutcast stream to an old phone number that I acquired. And I'll let this dude demonstrate for me. This is an actual real-world payphone user with a flip phone. That's the second time in the last several months I've been kicked off a payphone, although I wasn't actually using it. Yeah, I don't know if you can hear that, but the quarters just go straight through to the coin return slot. It has dial tone, but something's wrong with the coin mechanism. He's trying to make a call anyway. And he's having no luck. I could have told him, but at least he's not losing money.